Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate image occlusion Anki in Anki. So let's get straight into it. So as you can know, now that is you don't need to install a separate add-on. So what you need to do in Anki, click on Add at the top, and this window will pop up here. Let me just size it a little bit. Okay, like that. Now what we need to do is change the type. So right here at the top left we have type, you will see. Now click on it, new window will pop up here. So what we are going to select is image occlusion right here. And select the image you want to use from your computer. Okay, so choose. So now we need to select an image which we want to have right here. So I will select one of those. Let's say this one, open up. So once the editor pops up, we use the rectangle tool, or we can press just R on our keyboard so it doesn't detect. So I will select rectangle tool here on the left. Now we draw a box over the text or part of the image you want to hide. So let's say we want to hide this dock right here. You can click and drag to move them, or press delete to remove them if you like that, as you can see. Now, like so. If you want two separate boxes to be revealed at the same time, we can also group these. So you have function right over here at the top. You have group selection, or you just press G on your keyboard. Now at the bottom of the editor you have two main options for how the cards will behave. Okay, so for to choose testing mode, hide all is guess one, or hide one, guess one. We will find that here at the top of this tool section here, and if you click here on this image occlusion mode, you will see here hide all, guess one, or hide one, guess one. So just like that, you will set up here your testing mode. Now if you have older version of Anki, you will need the image occlusion enhanced add-on. So what you need to do, I will close this window now. Let's say discard like that. And yeah, now we need to go here at the tools at the top, and then add-ons and get add-ons. And now we need to put in the code here, which is 1374 772155. Just hit OK. Download complete. And now what you need to do is just restart the Anki. That starts properly working, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.